Okay, hello third graders. I'm going to show you how to access your Google Classroom, your Google assignments, and turn them in, as well as access Google Hangouts. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your ASF email, as I did here, and once you're in your inbox, you're going to go to these dots right in the top right corner. You're going to click on them. Then you're going to access your Google Classroom here. So then you're going to click on your Google Classroom, which your teacher has already set up. Ours is titled 3C 2019-2020. You're going to click on that. That is going to bring you to your classroom stream. The stream is where your teacher is going to post assignments and videos. So if you scroll down on My Classroom, you are going to find where the assignments are posted. So here on March 16th, I posted our 3C home learning days. Everybody's teacher may have posted your assignments differently, but for 3C, this is where I posted your assignments. So I'm going to click on the Google document, and it's going to bring me to this. For day one, in math, we're going to explore time as a continuous measurement using a stopwatch. So once you double click on the blue, it'll bring you to a link. This is a Google Doc that tells you step by step the lesson that you're going to be doing. Parents, if you're here to help, this would be where you would look at the lesson that you're working on. Ms. Tanya and I posted a Google slide that I'll show you later that shows you bit by bit your lesson. Here, where it says the pages, that is going to be your classwork. That is the assignment that you're going to turn in. So you're going to double click on the blue. It should open up like a PDF, and then you click the top and it opens up. This was our assignment for the first day. 2 pages. Now, you can either go and you can click print, and it'll bring you to a page that'll print, and you will send it to your printer, like this. You have to make sure you're using the right printer. Or if you want to copy it by hand into your notebook, that is okay too. Then, all of these are videos that would be helpful to your lesson. We have elapsed time on BrainPop, we have Khan Academy videos, we have Math Rock, and where it says IXL, Section 2, second grade, if you want to practice that skill on IXL, that is the section. You're going to go into second grade, Section Q, number 3, and that would be the skill that you're practicing. Then in reading, you're going to open up the Google slide that's linked here. So you click on it, and then you click on the Google slide. For the first day, this was your assignment for reading, comparing and contrasting the 2 most important points and key details in 2 texts. So you're going to go through, and whenever you see this symbol, you're going to take notes in your notebook. So here, you're going to write the words in your notebook in both English and Spanish. Then you can compare and contrast key details in 2 texts. You're going to compare and contrast in Spanish, and then you have a video on comparing and contrasting. This is the link to the video, and these right here are the username and password to access BrainPop through ASF. So if you need that password, it's here on the Google slide. Then you were supposed to practice or discuss comparing, contrasting butterflies and birds and both. What do butterflies have? What do birds have? What do they both have? And if you continue going down through the assignment, it told you what to take notes on, what to practice, and what videos you needed to watch. And this is the double bubble map that you were supposed to turn in for the first day. This video, if you clicked on it, was going to show you how to do a double bubble map. So that was the PowerPoint assignment for the first day in reading, and it was linked here. There was no assignment for the first day in writing because we had you guys do a lot of writing in your reading assignment. So the next day, Engage New York. If you want to see Engage New York, parents or students, Engage New York is a website that shows math lessons. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to take me to a link. These are the modules. The full module is very, very long. And it's going to download here, and I'm going to open it up. And this is all of the time measurement and measuring weight and liquid. These are the two lessons that we're going to have for the first day and for the first week and the second week. So if you scroll down to page 10, this was our first lesson. Lesson 1, the same thing that I brought up to you. And we had the first 2 pages, the ones that I showed you, as homework. If you need extra help, I would suggest opening this document to see what you're supposed to be doing. Each lesson has homework that is not part of your assigned work from school, but if you would like to do that, you can. So if at any point that you are confused about what you're supposed to be doing, you can click on the Engage New York tab that's right here. And all of your classwork are the ones that say pages 30 to 31, 43 to 44, and then all of the IXL practice is here. Then for reading, you're going to need to watch a video, and then you need to summarize in a graphic organizer. So you click on that, and it'll open up the graphic organizer. And to watch the video, you click on the link, and it'll bring you to the video. So all of your assignments for the first 2 weeks, this is day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then if you keep scrolling down, you have day 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all of the lessons are here. I do not recommend third graders that you go ahead and you do more than 1 day's worth, because each lesson builds on each other, and we specifically did it day by day so that you had the resources. The next thing I wanted to show you here that I posted on my Google Classroom, these are the math lessons for the week 1 broken into day by day. So the first week we're working with time. So if you go down, it says learning objective. It has some vocabulary. It has a little blurb about Greek mythology. It shows you how to use the minute hand, counting by 5s, using the hour hand. And then this was the activity that you had to check your work. And then you were to do your individual practice. So if you go through each day with the math lessons, it tells you exactly what you need to do and which pages you need to practice. So that is our PowerPoint for math lessons day 1 through 5. And that both of these, your home learning document and your Google slide, are on our stream. Next, right here you will find how to submit an assignment on Google Classroom. This is a video that Mr. Tyler so gracefully made for us. Now, when I have posted an assignment, we're on the stream. This is where we can post things and everybody can see it. Classwork is where I assigned individual assignments that should come up like this for you. So for math day 1, I said to please post a picture of your completed printout or your notebook and your pages when you completed work. So mine is going to look a little different from yours because I have how many people turned it in and how many accepted. Yours is going to say to turn it in, and you're going to look at the video on our stream on how to do that. The video that Mr. Tyler so gracefully made for us, that is right here. So you're going to watch that video on how to submit an assignment on Google Classroom. Next, all of you are going to submit to me what aspects of culture you would like to research. Mr. Rocio has so nicely made a Symbaloo for us that has links to different videos, that has links to different articles, and also a link to Kiddle so that you can do research on your aspect of culture. Later in the week, or maybe next week, I have not decided which, I will send a Google slide as a template for you guys to start inputting your information. In the meantime, if you find information, start taking notes, and then I will show you how to put it into a Google slide. So, aside from our Google Classroom, and if anybody needs the Google Classroom code, it's right here at the top. We should all know how to get into our Google Classroom. Then, if we want to go to Google Hangouts, you're going to go back to your Google Apps. You're going to scroll down to the tab that says Hangouts. This is where you can chat with me and your other 3C students if you have any questions. I've already created a 3C home learning chat. Some of you have already logged into it. So it'll look like this. This is where you can post pictures And videos, if you need them, I posted our morning meeting video here. And if you have any questions, you can post them here in our Google Hangout. I will not be available for video call unless I tell you otherwise. If you would like to video chat with each other, you need to do a separate conversation with just you and the other student to talk about classwork or how to do it. So that's how we get to Google Hangout, and that's how we get to Google Classroom. And this is the document where all of your work for the next 2 weeks with all of the links are. Last but not least, I've created a YouTube channel. And you are only able to access my morning meeting video if you have the link. I will post the link every day on our Google Classroom because Power Learning is having a lot of issues and things are not able to be uploaded. These videos are unlisted, meaning you cannot search them if you just go to YouTube. You have to follow my link. So both morning meetings, video 1 and 2, are posted. And in those morning meeting videos, I'll give you any updates, and I also read our chapter of Ella Enchanted. All right, if you guys have any more questions, please be sure to email me, or you can send me a message in our 3C Home Learning chat. All right, boys and girls, I know all of your teachers are missing you a lot. I know I'm missing all of my students. I hope you're all staying safe and happy and healthy, and we will talk to you soon.